In this tutorial, I'll show you how to resize charts in Tradingview so your charts are clean, clear, and easy to analyze. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and load any chart. Once you're inside the chart workspace, focus on the main chart area where your candles or price bars are displayed. To resize or zoom your chart, place your mouse cursor directly on the chart and use your mouse scroll wheel. Scrolling up will zoom out, showing more historical data, while scrolling down will zoom in, giving you a closer look at recent price action. If you want to adjust the vertical scale, move your cursor over the price axis on the right side of the chart. Then click and drag up or down. This lets you stretch or compress the price view for better visibility. For horizontal adjustments, you can click and drag the chart left or right to navigate through different time periods. Another useful trick is dragging the chart edges or panels. If you're using multiple charts or panels, hover over the borders between them until your cursor changes, then drag to resize each section exactly how you want. Now, if your chart ever gets messy or feels off, just right-click anywhere on the chart and select Reset Chart View. This instantly brings everything back to the default clean layout. That's it. With just a few simple moves, you can fully control your chart size and make your analysis much more comfortable. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.